Every morning, millions of people around the world wake up to the same painful reality: stiff knees, aching shoulders, and joints that feel like they've rusted overnight. The simple act of getting out of bed becomes an exercise in endurance. You reach for the edge of the bed trying to stand, and there it is again, that sharp, burning sting deep inside your joints. For some, the pain fades after a few minutes of movement. For others, it lingers all day, a constant reminder that the body is slowly betraying them. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. According to the World Health Organization, over 528 million people globally suffer from arthritis, and the numbers keep rising every year. In the United States alone, nearly 1 in 4 adults, about 60 million people, live with chronic joint pain. The story is similar across Africa, Asia, and Europe, where millions rely on painkillers just to get through the day. But here's the unsettling truth. While painkillers may provide short-term relief, they don't fix the underlying cause, the inflammation silently eroding your joints. Worse, long-term use can harm your kidneys, liver, and stomach. However, long before pharmaceutical drugs existed, ancient healers discovered a natural, powerful combination that soothed pain, restored flexibility, and helped people move freely again. A remedy passed down through generations and still used in parts of Asia and Africa today. The secret? 2 humble kitchen ingredients you probably already have: garlic and a special healing oil. But before we reveal this remarkable oil, let's understand what's really happening inside your joints and why nature may hold the missing piece to your relief. Chapter 1. The real reason behind joint pain. Joint pain doesn't start suddenly. It's the slow result of years of inflammation, poor circulation, and the gradual wearing away of cartilage, the smooth tissue that cushions your bones. Inside every joint, there's a delicate balance between lubrication, cartilage health, and immune response. When that balance is disrupted, whether by age, injury, excess weight, poor diet, or chronic inflammation, friction increases. This friction releases inflammatory chemicals like prostaglandins and cytokines, which cause pain and swelling. For many, this leads to osteoarthritis, the most common form of arthritis, where cartilage wears away and bones rub painfully together. Others may experience rheumatoid arthritis, an autoimmune condition in which the immune system attacks joint tissues. Over time, the result is the same: stiffness, swelling, and the grinding pain that can make even simple tasks, like climbing stairs or gripping a pen, feel unbearable. But here's the good news. Inflammation is not a permanent state. It can be reversed, and your joints can regain flexibility when nourished with the right natural compounds. And this is where garlic, nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouse, enters the story. Chapter 2. Garlic, the ancient healer of inflammation. Garlic isn't just a cooking ingredient. It's one of the oldest medicinal plants in human history. Ancient Egyptians, Greeks, Chinese, and Indians all used it for its ability to fight disease, boost energy, and relieve pain. Modern science now confirms what they knew thousands of years ago. Garlic is loaded with sulfur compounds, especially allicin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. When you crush or chop garlic, it releases these compounds, and they go to work inside your body, helping reduce swelling and blocking the production of enzymes that damage cartilage. Studies show that regular garlic consumption can reduce levels of interleukin-6 and tumor necrosis factor alpha, TNFA, 2 major culprits behind chronic inflammation. Garlic also helps improve circulation, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach your joints faster while removing metabolic waste that causes stiffness. In traditional medicine, garlic was often mixed with natural oils and used as a massage remedy for aching joints, because when applied externally, its compounds penetrate the skin, soothing pain right at the source. But here's the interesting twist. Garlic becomes even more potent when combined with one specific oil that acts as a carrier, enhancer, and healer all at once. Let's build up to that secret. Chapter 3. Why modern remedies fail to heal the root. Most modern treatments for joint pain focus on managing symptoms, not healing the underlying damage. Painkillers like ibuprofen, naproxen, or paracetamol only block pain signals temporarily. Corticosteroids may suppress inflammation, but they can weaken bones and tissues when used long-term. The real issue is deeper: oxidative stress and chronic inflammation. These processes slowly destroy cartilage, harden tissues, and restrict the natural fluid that lubricates your joints. Unless this inflammation is reversed and your joints are nourished again, true healing never happens. That's why traditional medicine never relied on pills. It relied on natural anti-inflammatories that not only calm pain, but also restore balance. Garlic was often the first ingredient, but the second, the secret oil, was what gave the mixture its extraordinary power. The oil helped carry garlic's healing compounds deeper into the joints, improved blood flow, and generated warmth, relaxing the muscles and stimulating repair. It's time to reveal this missing piece of the puzzle. The oil in question is mustard oil, one of the oldest, most respected natural oils in Ayurveda and traditional African medicine. Mustard oil, extracted from the seeds of the mustard plant, is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, selenium, and allyl isothiocyanate, a compound that gives it its signature warmth and therapeutic sting. When used with garlic, mustard oil penetrates deep into the skin, improving circulation and allowing the active compounds of both ingredients to reach joint tissues. This combination acts as a dual-action therapy, reducing inflammation on the inside while soothing pain on the outside. Mustard oil's warming effect relaxes stiff joints and muscles, while its antioxidants neutralize free radicals that damage cartilage. It's also packed with vitamin E, which nourishes tissues and prevents further wear and tear. Together, garlic and mustard oil form a natural pain-relieving powerhouse that has been used for centuries across India, Ghana, and other regions for arthritis, muscle stiffness, and joint fatigue. Chapter 4: The Science Behind Garlic plus Mustard Oil. Modern research backs up what ancient healers knew intuitively. Studies published in Phytotherapy Research and Journal of Medicinal Food show that garlic's sulfur compounds suppress inflammatory markers and reduce joint swelling. Mustard oil, on the other hand, has been found to improve blood circulation, reduce stiffness, and ease arthritic pain when used topically. When combined, their synergy amplifies healing effects. The oil helps transport garlic's compounds deeper into the tissue layers, enhancing absorption. This creates a sustained anti-inflammatory effect, allowing joints to relax, heal, and regain mobility. Some researchers even suggest that this blend helps stimulate synovial fluid production, the natural lubricant that cushions the joints. Chapter 5: How to use garlic and mustard oil for joint pain. You can use this ancient combination in two main ways: as a massage oil and as a dietary supplement. 1. Massage oil method. Crush 8 to 10 cloves of garlic and heat them gently in 3 tablespoons of mustard oil until the garlic turns slightly brown. Let the mixture cool, then strain it. Massage this warm oil on your joints twice daily, once in the morning and once before bed. The warmth of the oil increases blood flow, while garlic's anti-inflammatory compounds penetrate deeply, relieving pain and stiffness. 2. Dietary support. Adding small amounts of garlic and mustard oil, used in cooking, can also provide internal anti-inflammatory support. However, for most people, external application gives the fastest results. Within a week of consistent use, many people report noticeable relief, less stiffness, easier movement, and reduced swelling. Chapter 6: The 7-Day Healing Experience. Here's what a typical 7-day journey with garlic and mustard oil looks like. Day 1 to 2. The warmth from the oil provides instant relief as circulation improves. You feel a comforting heat on the joints. Day 3 to 4. Inflammation starts to subside. Stiffness lessens, especially in the morning. Day 5 to 6. Swelling and pain reduce significantly. Movement becomes smoother and easier. Day 7. A renewed sense of flexibility returns. Sleep improves, and you wake up without that dreadful morning stiffness. And if you continue for 2 to 3 weeks, the effects deepen. This is not a temporary fix, but a gradual restoration of joint health. Chapter 7: Why this combination works better than painkillers Painkillers suppress pain, but garlic and mustard oil heal the root cause: inflammation, poor circulation, and oxidative damage. Unlike synthetic drugs, they don't harm your stomach or liver. Instead, they nourish your body with essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and healing warmth. Their natural synergy targets pain from all angles, improving flexibility, blood flow, and cartilage protection. It's not magic. It's biology in harmony with nature. Chapter 8. Other benefits beyond joint pain. This ancient combo doesn't stop at joint relief. Regular use also improves circulation throughout the body, boosts immunity and respiratory health, promotes better sleep and relaxation, supports heart health due to omega-3 fatty acids, enhances skin texture and tone due to vitamin E and antioxidants. Joint pain can steal more than movement. It steals your joy, your sleep, and your independence. But nature never designed you to live in constant pain. Before there were pills, there was wisdom. And that wisdom gave us garlic and mustard oil. Two ordinary ingredients that, when combined, can do something extraordinary. Restore flexibility, reduce inflammation, and bring comfort back to your life. So tonight, as you rub this warm oil into your joints, remember, you're not just treating pain. You're reviving an ancient tradition of natural healing that has helped people for centuries. The secret is simple, the results are powerful, and it all begins with garlic plus mustard oil. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Vitality Unplugged, and share it with someone who needs natural joint relief.